Oh, so the brother in the kitchen already. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'm in the kitchen cooking chicken?
Yes.
Yeah. I make it work.
So with pumpkin rice today?
Yeah, man, pumpkin rice and some scobies fish, you know?
Esco beach fish.
All kind of fish, Mr. Gano, it's
So you have a whole heap of fish there already too. Them come right on time. The rice are steam, right?
Yeah, man, the rice so up, you know, up it up, you know, when I butter it, you know? We simmer down the gravy, you know,
You know?
Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey style, you know? That's it.
Yeah.
Simmer down the gravy.
You see me live in colors. The wow chef, live in living colors.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, you know it goes Dream Team, one team, and you know it's the only real team. So blessing and give thanks to all. So don't forget to put the thumbs up, you know, while you're watching. You know, while you're streaming, don't forget to put the thumbs up, you know, like and share. Spread the love, you know, and if you're watching from your TV, you can go on your phone, you know, put the thumbs up and then you can go and watch back from the TV. Blessed Dennis. So Dream Team, one team. So today we have a special guest, you know, another guest again from the US, you know, and this is the AUNTY for the overcomers is gonna pass through. Cause you know the other day we have Sevilla, you know, that was one fraction after overcomers. So now we have the overcomers AUNTY passing through Trenchtown today for the first time. You know, so you're gonna see her, you know, so as you can see from the title, you know, that we got another guest again from the USA, which is the AUNTY for the overcomers. So we're here waiting patiently. So Dream Team, one team. So don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Put that thumbs up. Alright, so blessings and give thanks to all.
We're going to find family.
AUNTY.
Good time. Wanted.
Gracious.
Joe. Mighty Joe. Let me say Mighty Joe Young.
Radical, steppy.
Mighty Joe Young. Because a long time I don't really see you, but tell them say you have to dip on the road, see me. I go and do what you have to do, you know what I think though?
Which is right.
Ends are for meat, kids are for feed.
Right, so.
You know what?
Give thanks
You have
to
to.
the greatness of life.
Yeah.
Greatness of grandness of small token. So give thanks and thank you very much. And although on a wide scale, still not hear from us, still here. We still thank you. We still grateful. We still respect.
Yeah. Every time. Alright then, so I have a donation for you from the other day as well from Patricia from the UK. $3,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Patricia from the UK. It's honor and it's humble and it's blessed. Thank you very much for your token of grace, love, respect, bless. Oh God, now gonna make your basket with a way, increase, grace, love.
Yeah. And I have a donation for you as well to throw, because the other day the team member get $1,000 each from Shan and Dan. And he wasn't here, so this is 1,000 from Shan and Dan from the US.
Shan and Dan from the US. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. No God not gonna make your basket run out. But He's not gonna make it increase in multitude. Thank you very much.
Always. Give thanks. Blessings to Shan and Dan. Thank you so much. You know, and Patricia from the UK. Yeah, God bless you all for the donation for Joe. You know, so give thanks. It's an honor. Thank you so much for being supportive of this program. So we say Dream Team, one team. You know, together we can make it work. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Yeah, Jenna, I have a donation for you. I got $2,000 for you from the Caribbean. Yeah. From Bahamas.
Indian from Bahamas.
$2,000.
May the Lord bless you and keep us.
Voila. Yeah.
Thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep us here.
Yeah. From Nassau, Bahamas. It's Caribbean. Give thanks.
Thank you very much. Again.
Smiley, now go on the video to Smiley. Smiley. Yeah, Smiley, come here, Smiley. Them know see how you bring Michigan.
Them know how pies it is.
DREAMTEAM, them know long time, your original dart. Straight to the heart. Whop. Why is the dart? Who the beard yet? Don't make me bother talk. Go and go hold a bath.
Oh.
Them know me I talk about.
No.
Oh. Them was the things you cartel to me say, oh. Addy. Yeah. That's how we do it. See?
You know what price is that? The man of full of card.
Great artists like call Bounty Killer. You know me now about the Warland.
General.
Easy Nevada. Cause you don't know. Original Baba you too.
Yeah. On the corner.
Is it? Yes, all I told them you get trim online, online. You get it outside of the line too. You don't think so?
Yes, the barber is a travel with him tools.
See him say it go.
The walking barber.
Wap, and ear gone.
Yeah.
You know disappear. Vanish.
So
we do that.
So
but
this is Poison Dog, the only walking barber.
Yeah.
You know, phone call away. You just walk, come give you a
tune. You have to give them a little piece of tune, make them feel nice.
Yeah, clean. Let's keep it clean.
We the people can make things work.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
If we come together, we not listen to me
Jackson, hear that?
The people can make things work.
Jackson, that's all like our one, you know.
If we come together, we can make things work. Put the video on the eye work. Come here, keep job now. Watch that. From the start work with Jaja. No more Asina. Just provide the tea plus we lunch and dinner. Devilism. We no mixing a Jaja pressure, so our him dream team a follow. When we are pray to Jaja, we no ask him for wealth. Ask him for health and we ask him for strength. Step out the road and do that confident. Good news me got. Me can't keep that to myself. Mark down the X. Me a go tell somebody else. Me spot a fat data. See down on a bench. Tell about God. You know she get up and belt and confess. The Lord and no one else. Again me sing start work for Jaja. No more a sinner. Just provide me tea plus me lunch and me dinner. Devilism. We no mix it that pressure tower. Me a but I thought no what? Step by step. So we climb up the ladder. Remember, one and me up we take it was another. Just closer to me. What? even than a brother. One dream team, and you can't have an. Hey, them sure I did it. I saw it go. Oh.
Well, that tune that sound like the Dream Team song. Make it work. Yeah. The part where you say, yo, together we can make it work, it sounds like the song. What we have.
So we have only for two now, we just do them and we're ready to do them.
And say one dream team and there no other.
You see, you hear that part there. So any boy think them have another. If him no sick in him head, he must see sick in him bladder. Sick one way, somewhere or another.
Hey.
See that dark no more. Yo, man, come up with it.
The auntie to the overcomers.
Overcomers, auntie. Overcomers, auntie.
Auntie. Give them the rest. You look like you live in TRENCHTOWN. You're everybody is ready to come.
The AUNTY.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Auntie, you're the first person. Yes, for me.
We're in the kitchen.
When we young trade man.
Oh, young kids man, I'm gone from the work. I'm Baja. Baja is not here as well.
I
Baja.
really wanted to see Baja and I want to talk to him.
Yeah, Baja gone on the work.
Oh my God.
So he no reach yet. Some of them in two reach.
Kino.
Sure.
Kino. Jesus. Oh my God. Kino.
We finally meet.
Kino.
We finally meet.
Jesus, Kino.
Where's your brother?
Kino, come on.
Oh, I couldn't come. The other day was Sevilla.
Yeah.
Come on, brother.
Oh my gosh.
But yesterday and smiling.
Man, pull up your shorts.
Eh?
Come on, let's go.
Esther! Best is my general, see?
Yes.
All is well.
Yeah, man.
All is well. So Esther, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Overcomers. Overcomer.
No, you're the auntie. That's just the brother. So you have to say you're the uncle there.
So I'm the uncle.
Well, I'm Marvin at the boat.
No, Marvin as well gone to country. Tradesman, you know, do a little work as well a month ago here, so I miss it for a couple of weeks, yeah. And who else has me? Kedan are reach here.
And we did the Montego Bay. And most of us came into Montego Bay for fish fry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Smiley, look at her Smiley. And prefect not reach yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're nasty, you know, we're tired.
Tired.
as you see.
As you can see, well,
Yeah.
it's really a blessing to have you here.
Yes,
I really make Smiley like a great Smiley as well.
And
too.
I want to tell you, say, I couldn't come and come at Trenchtown even for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Talk about the dream team, said I look back from come to Jamaica and come.
Yeah.
Yes.
So boy, we're more than welcome. And Jella, what's Jella there? So I tell you go funeral as well too.
Oh yes, come and say, Baby said she-
Yeah, so they went funeral. Smiley shall come?
Oh, Smiley. Where are little son? Zaire.
Oh, Zaire.
Zaire. Yeah, Mrs. Zaire.
I'm just out here, run up and down.
Yeah.
Zaire. See that should have worked Monday.
You want to give me?
She had that should have worked the money.
Money.
So the other day we have Sovilia.
Oh, Sadelia.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now we have the original Dream Team AUNTY, which is the Overcomer AUNTY. You know, I need to get your shirt as well, right?
Let me get my shirt. Get my shirt.
You get theme shirt. So we get a sort out theme because I don't want him cuss and not get my shirt.
No man, I'm going to tell you I get my shirt. Tall tea and wow chef. Now I do no curry chicken today. Every day I'm looking at your curry chicken food pot.
Alright, I'm going to fry fish. So a fish
Where the kitchen there?
See there, sir?
Oh, so Rasta.
Oh, Rasta. Jackson.
Then back home, man.
The one where they wind up yourself.
Yeah.
I like him a word.
Rasta Jackson Overcomers. This is the AUNTY.
This is the auntie.
Yes, Rasta Jack.
And this is the auntie, yes. Yeah.
Welcome, you know, welcome.
Yep.
So when she greet Smiley and Zaire now.
And yeah.
They're not each other out of that right, you say.
The man must know not each other. That's all I say. Thanksgiving, I just said me to put it on the big screen till they tired of me and say, you know everybody at Trenchtown.
Yeah. Because you always are watching.
That was the entertainment for Thanksgiving.
Oh, you don't watch the live?
Watch the lives and I put it on the TV and I say.
Yeah. So it's sure,
Boy,
man.
it's really a pleasure coming and I'm telling you, every day we talk about it. The devotion we want to have and the commitment.
Yeah.
You know, we tell people, say it's not that we're getting a paycheck at the end of the week.
Yeah.
And it's really hard, and you must know there's a lot of commitment and good heart for somebody to go and do the things you want to do without a paycheck. You know?
True.
And as you, Kino, every day we pray for you.
Yeah, because I know the prayer is needed every day.
Yeah, man.
The prayer is always
Keep
needed.
your hands up on you.
Yeah.
Why? You know, so the first day from that trench.
Yeah, we're going to address that the first time, right?
First time, you never even know. A Psalms this? Civilian man?
Yeah.
I Psalms this, civilian man. Boy. Civilian, if I say the thing, leave my Psalms, you know?
Yeah. Leave your Psalms, you know. Psalms. So this are the AUNTY now, Psalm. This is AUNTY, right? Another AUNTY. Seem common full of courtesy.
One day and stuff.
How am gone?
LT.
Oh. I'll check out the kitchen.
Yeah, that's why it's a LT.
You know, so Smiley got make Zaire.
It looks so. Everybody said they can't believe Kino Sata because when Sibylle was here, another Sister Pauline said, you know, you go so tall. Sibylle is a tall woman.
I never know so me so tall.
Yeah.
I'm 6'2". 6'2", you know, really 6'2". You stop go a long
Kino,
time.
somebody go on to hold the camera because I need to speak to you.
Yeah, man, no problem. I wait till then come back. It's Zaire. Smiley! I make sure I make him. She gonna have a new baby. They come and show you what go in the kitchen, man. You can see inside the kitchen. Yeah, whoa. Oh, so the brother in the kitchen already. Whoa. So I'm in the kitchen cooking chicken?
Yes.
I make it work.
So it's pumpkin rice today?
Yeah, man, pumpkin rice and some scobies fish, you know.
Extra beef fish.
One pan of fish, Mr. Gone out the side of
So you have a whole heap of fish there already too. Let me come right on time. The rice are steam, right?
Yeah, man, rice so up, you know, up it up, you know, when I butter the, you know. We simmer down the gravy, you know,
You know.
Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey style, you know. That's nice, eh?
Yeah.
Simmer down the gravy.
You see me live in colors. Wow, chef, live in living colors.
I tell you.
So the overcomer auntie.
I tell you.
Come see Zaire here and smile here. Zaire, come here.
Come here.
Here we go.
Boy, we're on a condo.
Zaire. You must so shy. Zaire, you must so shy. Zaire. Come here, where you go? You must so shy.
Baby, there you go. Sexy.
Yeah, tomorrow then. Tomorrow. Yeah, hold it.
So we're going to smell it. So what kind of baby we have? Girl, so you got a number. So we're done this one.
Another one is.
And then you have, so you got to turn down. No more.
No, so Jella, yeah.
Angie. Zaire. Angie, well one.
So just Jella, this is overcomer auntie. You know, yeah, on the treat and everything. You talk about overcome, you know.
Yeah.
So this is an auntie and the uncle.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so dream team.
One team.
You know, it's a blessings again. Blessings keep pouring. We got another guest, you know, as a family to the program, as a family to the team. So you know, the overcomers, been there, never fade away. It's been there from the start, you know, looking out for the kids them and also for the dream team member. Because overcomers the first to put on a treat for the kids them. And we have to give her a round of applause, you know. Yeah. So we have to welcome her to TRENCHTOWN for the first time. Come on, what a better clap than that, man. Come on, man. A dream team auntie, you know. Yeah. Sorry, not all the members not here today. You know, Baraja and Tradesman and Marvin. So.
Wanted to see young tradesman, man.
Yeah, and Hero.
Always look sleepy.
Oh. Young tradesman always look sleepy. Yeah, and Era as well too.
Yeah.
So a couple of them. So the last time Sofila was here, we gave her 2 t-shirts, so you get yours, right?
Yes, I did.
And so your brother never get his.
No.
So I don't want him wire for your t-shirt, right? My wire already.
Right, then I'm gonna get the t-shirt.
Yeah, so see, you come right from the spot.
Yeah, man.
So, overcomers auntie, first time in TRENCHTOWN. What about you, the first time?
No, because I tell you play football and I work for soccer about the place then, so
yeah.
A long time in the past through the place.
Okay.
I'm poor, I'm the them things.
Yeah. Because we know you watch the goodness what Dream Team do.
Oh,
You
yes.
know?
Oh, yes.
And we might hear the wrong thing what's going on the other side.
Oh, sure.
But it still never stop you from visiting the Dream Team.
No.
And we really appreciate that, you know, like the magnitude of love for you for really come here and show us the same love. Like we really have to thank you so much. And as I say, you're more than welcome to the family. You've been a family to the program. Everybody here can tell you for themselves if you understand because you've been doing so.
Yeah.
You know, and you continue to do so. So we're not keep him waiting. We're not anticipating. You see me, and we have your Dream Team shirt for you.
Yeah, man.
Here with liquor. We're going to, so it's an extra large, right?
Yeah, man, that can work, man.
That can work.
Tell him stretch it if it can.
Pull it out liquor saying can say they say must stretch it if it not fit.
No, you stretch it, there you go.
Yeah, it will fit.
It's a go fit you a little, but then like it or not. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
Man. But me take it, me keep it.
Yeah, can give you some.
No, that will fit him, man.
Yeah,
They say to, yeah. Cause fitted t-shirt I wear these days.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Dream Team,
Yes.
welcome.
Yeah, run up, respect, man. Yeah. Yes, boys. It's more than a pleasure. You know, it's more than a pleasure. And I'm gonna show you Mr. Dana house we're working on. Look right here. So we'll just see where we stop at the minute because through barge off here work. So the work kind of stop for a minute to win time and get some free time. So we just walk with our girl and Dana.
Okay.
Yeah, when you come back then.
You come back?
Yeah.
You know when we start watching it, the day you took that bag to Jinjin.
Yeah. This was in the yard right there.
Yes, the same day you carry that bag, I stopped to Jinjin. We start watch it.
It's Ginger yard. Yeah.
Hi, Jinjin.
You see it now, so. No, kitchen around here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so 2 room in here, so. Yeah, look, we're looking at now. It's 2 room. We have the bathroom on that side here, so. So, and yes, as well, I become a little room. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, when this come out. So you have a room
What's a
right
hard
here.
thing to then cut down? If they can't cut it out.
Can't cut up, man, you know. Same welding.
Oh, I'm still ended up cut it off.
Yes, you know, we have the kitchen.
Okay.
So, it's at the space. So, through Baja, you know, Baja have to do little work.
Yeah.
You know, so bring a little stall. Stay a minute when time,
Okay.
free time. Sam. Look like when you bring the blessing, you know.
Oh yes, me just to get something for our son, one goggles, but me just gonna reach. I have the welding supply because I wanted to get the goggles for him.
Okay.
And our son.
Okay.
Then
You try to get it and send it to somebody like this, so nobody will come down the side of it. Could you make it this time?
Yeah. No problem, man. Alright, I'll come here with you and walk over for it. Hold on, wait for them. Like to bring the rain come, and the blessings still.
longer than me want.
I remember, and you see Sam as well. This is where Sam lives.
Oh, Sam. Okay. Hi, Sam. Oh, so afar.
Yeah, it's close by. Yeah.
Hi, Sam.
I'm do the welding?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the three of them where you
But
see
it's 90 minutes for the young guy, way.
Yeah, me know the cab is just for the
he
young
might
Yeah.
teach him.
He might teach him. Yeah. Not teach him. Not teach his son.
Yeah, see,
Oh,
see there.
Sam, come.
Come, Sam.
Come, Sam.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Junior. Oh, go on. Yeah. Gin.
Boom, there walk.
What the Arsenal match, you know? Who went through?
Skid on here. Electrician. You're electrician. Overcomers. Auntie this, right?
Auntie. Yeah, thank you. Yes.
She never leave you, she'll talk about the electrician.
Yes.
I wonder why them are there.
Yeah, man.
Electrician himself.
When I was in school, I went to electrical engineering.
Yeah, so Auntie. Welcome Auntie.
Oh my gosh.
Auntie, I'm taller than you though.
Watch out, I look like one could be able to you.
You come out here. Hey, Auntie, look, oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm 6'2". Them things I'm short to them see me on the camera.
Yes, nobody, but when they see you, they realize how tall it is.
Yes, you know,
Yes.
so never tall, so I'm easy to be seen.
Okay.
So the goodness of we are doing is being seen. Right, Auntie?
Right.
So welcome to Trenchtown.
Thank you,
It's
thank
a pleasure.
you.
Your
Yes.
first time.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.